How to restart Windows 10 using keyboard shortcuts only. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to restart your Windows 10 PC using only keyboard shortcuts. Let's get right into it. The simplest method to restart your Windows 10 PC is by using the following shortcut. Press Alt plus F4 while on your desktop. This will bring up the Shutdown Windows dialog box. Next, make sure Restart is selected in the drop-down. You can use the arrow keys to switch between options. Once Restart is selected, just hit Enter, and your PC will restart. And that's it. Simple way to restart your Windows 10 PC using only keyboard shortcuts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.